This is the process of mining for oracles on the Elephant protocol. The process consists of four steps: prepare, enrich, transform, and validate, and then proceed with the minting processes, kind of hashing, upload to IPFS, and submitting to chain. As a protocol, our product is actually is the data, IPFS and chain, and a set of tools that help with mining and minting. So I just packaged that up, actually on the right hand side in this Jupyter notebook to be able to show you some steps. I'm not actually running it. I've already run that because it takes a little bit more than 3 minutes. So the same steps: prepare, transform. Transform is an AI agent that look at the data and ultimately using, in this case, OpenAI to transform the data into basically generate the scripts that ultimately transform the data to the schema that we want. And then after that, the data gets validated, generate a set of objects, push it into the IPFS, and ultimately mint the data on Polygon. So if you come backwards, you see the data is minted on Polygon with the top of the Merkle tree hash. And if you go back to the previous step, which basically all the full state data, you would see. Let's actually pick one of the owners. It's Jill Nicholson is actually one of the owners on the property. And this property, after the data goes on IPFS, is packaged up as an HTML. The HTML object, it is in IPFS as well, and generate the HTML. So it allows us to be able to get the data onto the SEO and the LLM for search. And Jill Nicholson, we saw that in the IPFS, and this is her as one of the owners. Another use case of AI is generating a lot of metadata about the pictures to see above, to be able to tag and classify information and put a lot of details that creates a differentiator for the data on the Elephant protocol from an SEO and LLM search perspective.